Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, there is some new coupons to print. Now, a lot of these were actually available yesterday. By the time I caught it, it was way too late. I'm like, I'll just make the video tomorrow if they're still available. But there's some new coupons and there's some a lot of resets, I think. So we got the $1 off the Kind Bark product. I'm going to print that off. I have a feeling there's going to be some kind of deal in the future for that, so I'm gonna print that off. Now we do have the $2 off Burt's Bees. Now we do have some inserts of them. I'm gonna print that off and just see if those are the same dates as what we have in our inserts, because you never know when there's going to be a deal for them. Now we got Windex, Scrubbing Bubbles. Those are all still available as before. Miss Charlotte says hello. But CoverGirl, L'Oreal, those are all still available. Scrubbing Bubbles. Now here we got Tetley, $1 off any tea. Now you guys can actually use this coupon at the Dollar Tree because they do sell that. So you guys can get it absolutely for free. So yeah. Neutrogena, Fancy Feast. A lot of these are all from last week, so I'm just kind of go right through them. Now here is a Renew, $6 off that. Aloe, BioTrue, we got $3 off. Now here's some Bella coupons. Now I've noticed every single time the Bella coupons pop up, then they have deals in Ibotta, so I'm going to print off the $1.50 off of 4. We have a $2 off Lubriderm, then the dog food, Icy Hot, Tums, Miss Charlotte says hi, and then $4 off. I'm going to print that one off for Bella. Then we have a $1 off and then a $2.50 off 2 Aspercream, $3 off Renew, I didn't even know how to pronounce that, you guys. Another Icy Hot, Soothe, $4 off, Nivea Body Wash products, $1, Miralax, $2, BioTrue Twin Pack, $6, Gaviscon, whatever that is, $1.50. Here we have $5 off 2 Clairol Nice and Easy hair dye, which I see that stuff all the time, and I haven't bought hair dye in months. That's how sad it is, which I'm fine with that. Nivea, we got body or cream lotion, $2 off. We have Clorox, 50 cents. Parodontic, Sensodyne, Palmer's, $1 off. And then a lot of Claritin, a lot of Flonase, Claritin, Ben & Jerry's, Just for Men, and sorry guys, this is pretty much it. Then we got Jergens. That's it. I'm only printing off 5 coupons. There's a lot of new coupons, but a lot of them are in my inserts, so I don't need to print them off unless they're going to expire first. So, hope you guys enjoy your day. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.